Good day, sir. This is the video or the video presentation for our major PETA. This is our output for this PETA number 10 for the major PETA. For the first output, which is PETA number 6, we select first yung aircraft section na pipiliin po namin, which is napili namin is the fuselage ng Boeing 737-800. Dito nakita namin yung dents, which is the holes, yung mga yupe. And bakit fuselage yung napili namin? Kasi ito yung mas convenient and mas madaling gawin. For the next output, which is PETA number 7, the NDT simulation and defect detection, ginamit naming NDT dito is yung ultraviolet na ilaw or the UV light. Mas madali kasi naming i-detect yung dents and cracks ng isang sheet metal kung ito yung nakikita natin by visual, or mas makikita natin agad. So napili namin yung ultraviolet kasi namamarkahan nung ilaw yung mismong dent, mas nagbabrighten yung yupe, and mas nakikita namin or nalolocate namin yung cracks and dents. Next output is the PETA number 8, exploded view repair assembly. Dito makikita natin na nag-cut na kami ng sheet metal, which is the exploded view, para makita natin kung ano i-repair, ano ipapatch, ano yung mga gagamitin para matapalan or maayos yung mga cracks and dents na nalocate natin dun sa PETA number 6, which is the first output. And lastly, the PETA number 9, which is the final repaired miniature. Dito makikita natin yung patch na ginawa namin. Ni-rivet namin siya by using blind rivets. Medyo hindi siya perfect because the round shape or the curved shape, and mahirap din mag-rivet sa maliit na output or maliit na object. So we try our best to pakita na literal na pinatch namin siya by using rivets. And dahil din sa tulong ng NDT, na-patch natin siya ng maayos kasi na-locate natin ng maayos yung cracks. And sa exploded view, napakita natin kung paano siya ni-repair, paano natin siya kinat. Then, to summarize lahat, ito yung output namin, sir. And sana marami kayong tutunan sa aming output. Yun lang po, thank you.